Step-by-step guide to change your Apple ID password. Go to Apple's website, open your web browser and visit Apple's official website, appleid.apple.com. Sign in. On the Apple ID page, click the Sign In button. Enter your current Apple ID and password, then click Continue. Go to Account Settings. After signing in, you will be directed to your Apple ID account page. Here, find and click on the Security section. Change Password. In the Security section, locate the Change Password option and click on it. Verify your identity. Apple may ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your security settings, you might need to answer security questions, receive a verification code on your trusted device, or use two-factor authentication. Enter your new password. Once your identity is verified, you'll see the fields to enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your new password, then enter it again to confirm. Update your password. After filling in the new password fields, click Change Password. Your Apple ID password will be updated immediately. Sign back in. After changing your password, make sure to sign back in with your new password on all your devices and services where you use your Apple ID. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily change your Apple ID password and ensure your account remains secure. Regularly updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication are excellent practices to protect your account.